Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling a margin account and completing KYC. Do this now so you can borrow. Next, move collateral into your margin wallet, UST, BUST, or BTC work. Transfer only what you can afford to risk. Once funds arrive, choose a low leverage level and confirm the maintenance margin percentage. This reduces liquidation risk. Finally, review borrowing interest rates and repayment terms. You need to know costs before opening trades. Once funded, decide between isolated and cross-margin. Isolated confines risk to one pair, while cross shares collateral across positions. Then borrow the asset you need. Binance shows the interest rate and how often it compounds, so check it before confirming. After borrowing, place your trade using market or limit orders. It's smart to set a stop loss and a take profit immediately. Doing that locks in risk controls and ensures you won't be surprised by rapid market moves. To finish a trade, monitor your margin ratio and maintenance threshold. When satisfied, close your position and repay the borrowed principal plus accrued interest to free collateral. You can repay partially or fully. Make sure repayments use the correct asset. If the market turns against you and the margin ratio nears liquidation, add collateral or reduce position size right away. If you can't access funds, contact Binance support and document transaction ID, but act before liquidation to preserve capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.